This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Ann Foster. New construction ranch-style home west / 3 bedrooms / 2 full baths plus powder room in quiet Meadow Crest Subdivision, close to restaurants and shopping and only minutes from Lake Oconee access. Open and bright open floor plan with nice cabinets, island, pantry, stainless appliances, granite counters, and generous dining area. Vaulted great room with fireplace. Master bedroom has tray ceiling, master bath with separate tub and shower, dual sinks, 2 walk-in closets. 2 additional bedrooms plus an office / study. 2-car attached garage. Covered front and back porches for enjoying this pretty neighborhood west / street lights, low HOA fees and close to everything a lake area has to offer. Sod lawn with irrigation system. Quick contract means buyer may choose some decorator items. Seller will pay some closing costs with preferred lender. Seller holds all earnest money and closing attorney shall be McMichael and Grey. Preferred lender, Kelly Dover, Cross Country Mortgage 678-283-1200 for more information.